So I'm going to the Indian Sneaker Festival. This is the 4th edition and it's one of the biggest sneaker festival in India. If you're basically into sneakers, streetwear or anything culture, this is the place to be. Let's go. I'm Sohana and I create content around sneakers, streetwear and fashion, and today we are at the Indian Sneaker Festival. So let's go. That's the main stage where music concert and the entire music lineup happens in the evening. Right now we're going to check all the brands. So guys, over here there is Street Junkies. It's a resale platform for sneakers and streetwear. And we have Shrikant over here, who's the founder of Street Junkies. So how is it going?
Oh my god, this has been crazy. Delhi has always been crazy, guys. I mean, it's mad cold, but it's also mad hot because of the turn up. Like, we had crazy time yesterday, mad sales. Yeah, it's been good.
This is an amazing place if you want to shop sneakers, drip, streetwear, anything culture. So I'm wearing this fit by a homegrown brand, Lab 88. They're right over here. I love it. This skirt is giving. And this jacket with the fur, I think it looks amazing. Let's check out their collection. Let me show you around. I love this as well. And I love this set. It's so pretty. First coffee, and this is so good. You need to try it out. Here with my boy Shivam, who helps me shoot and literally helped me start my career in content. Shivam, what are you wearing? I love your sneakers.
All blacks, and I have bought the laces from Milan Jordan store.
Yeah, you only get these laces at Jordan store. Love it. Okay, I love this. There's a core theme cushion over here. Even these football things. Very cute. Oh, look at the sneaker one. So cute. Puma's booth over here and it is stunning. I love the way it looks. I think it is one of the best designed booth over here. So let's check it out. Hi! I love your jacket. Kush, what do you think about the festival? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's my second day here. Even though it's the third day of Indian Sneaker Festival, it's my second day here. It's a lot of fun. I love the brands that are here. I love the Puma booth. It's beautiful. What do you think?
I love it. Love this is the best, most stunning booth here.
Which is that one homegrown brand that you think will make it big this year?
I really like what I'm wearing. That's Lab 88. Look at the setup. So vintage, so vibey and so chic. There is like a DJ setup over here. And then we also have a charm station. This is so pretty. And they're also selling apparel. I love this zone. And we have Aditya Bhalla. He's the OG sneakerhead of India. And this is like the complete zone.
I'm here to relax.
What do you think about the festival?
It's got this surprise. Let's see and get some.
Hi, Nikunj. Nikunj, I think this is the biggest edition of Sneaker Festival so far. How do you feel about it?
It's crazy. Came out of somewhere and nowhere. We don't know how we turned up this big. But crazy scene there.
Nati Garb is also like a great brand. I'll just show you around what they have. Hi Rishabh,
Hi, how are you?
how is it going?
Good, yeah. As always, my family is right here. See, these are the founding people of Indian Sneaker Festival. Absolutely love them, and I think this is one of the best streetwear events in India. That's my brother right there. Love him.
What do you think about the festival?
Loving the festival. It has been a ride. I'm waiting for Hanuman Kind, honestly. I came here just for Hanuman Kind.
Also have Foot Locker over here, guys. And let's check out what they got. A lot of sneakers. And they have this apparel as well. And then BMW Motorrad also has a display. That's the e-bike. That was the end of Indian Sneaker Festival 3-day of complete madness. What an experience it was. So many brands, streetwear, sneakers, a great artist lineup. I think this was the biggest sneaker festival that India would have witnessed. I thoroughly enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog too. And if you did, then like, comment,